Alright, y'all. Here's a couple of difference in Fluke 73 Series 3 Multimeters. Now, they both have this kind of case. This one is the 1998 model. This one is the 2001 model. Have y'all seen the difference already? Well, it's the same with the 10 amp and the little bitty milliamp fuse. Same thing. But the difference that makes the 2001 model special is look at the display. The old one, now that's the same size and layout as all the 70 series. But look at this new one. Look how much bigger the digits are. Compare them. Check that out, y'all. 1998 to 2001, 4-year difference, and they put in the big digit display. I love that. I can't find a whole lot of differences. There's a whole lot of extra resistors here that aren't here. Let's see. Look at the 98 model versus the 2001 model. There are differences in the board, but the biggest difference you're going to get is look at the screen. Look at the old versus new. Look at them big old digits. This one here, hell, that's like new meters. The 1998 model and its cover, the 2001 and its cover, they're the same. They do the same things. No difference there. But the digits on the screen are way bigger. And they both use this kind of holster. So, alright, y'all. Just a quick showing. Differences between model years of Fluke 73 Series 3 multimeters. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.